You can make your Camtasia projects even more interactive for the end users by adding in quizzes. So let's see how we can add in quizzes on our project right here. So we have a simple project that is a video recording right here, and let's hear it out what the video is about. So over here you can see that I'm on my desktop. This is my PC, and if I were to right click on it, there is an option. So now what I want to do is I want to make a simple quiz on the basis of what is being shown on the video. So let's say this is where it says I'm on my desktop. So what I want to do is add in a quiz asking the user where we are, for example. So now what I can do to do that is to add an interactivity right here by clicking on the interactivity section. And over here I have a choice whether I want to attach the interactivity onto the timeline or the specific clip. Usually I go with timeline because I may have a lot of elements over here in the track. So I'm just going to go around over here and click. So once I click on interactivity and click anywhere, you can see that a quiz placeholder has been added. And once that is done, you can see on the right hand side that I can choose whether I want to go with multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or true or false, or short answer. Short answer is something that needs to be marked manually. So we're going to avoid it right now. It is something that you use if you upload this into a cloud service like a SCORM or a learning management system where you can manually mark it. But over here, we want instant feedback. So we will be focusing on multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and true or false. So let's go to multiple choice right here. So I want to add in a multiple choice question right here. So I'm just going to ask, where are we? Just like this. So where are we? And the answer is going to be, let's say, for example, this PC, and this is going to be desktop right over here. I can add as many answers as I want. I want to add maybe, let's say, for example, D drive or maybe C drive, just like this. So 4 options right here. Desktop is the correct one. So I'm just going to click on desktop, and I want it to display feedback. If correct, I want to say correct, just like this. And then action would be to continue. And if incorrect, I want to display please review. Let's say, for example, please review and action. So I'm just going to go around and say please right here. And action is going to be jump to time 00. So it starts from the beginning itself. So that's good. So this is what happens with multiple choice. And then on the next part right here, I'm just going to add in another question. So just click on question right here. And just like this, now I can add in another question right here. So if I add in question here, you can see that it is being added onto the same quiz. I don't want that. I want to add it in this part of the timeline. So let's hear it out first. This is my PC, and if I were to right click on it, there is an option. This is my PC. So if I were to right click, there is an option. So let me just play around. Is an option that I can use. So right clicking gives options. So I want to add in a quiz right here on the timeline. There's another quiz section that I added on this part now. So this part, there is a quiz right here. As you can see on this part, there is another quiz. I can also add in multiple things if I want to. So I'm just going to go with true or false in this case. So right clicking gives you options. So I'm just going to add in something like this. And let's say I want to go around and then choose true for this case. And then I'm going to display the feedback as well. So if correct, congratulations, just like this. And the action will be continue. If incorrect, review. And now action is going to be jump to time. And this is the time I want it to be in. So I want it to be right around 0324. So I'm just going to say 0324. So that is where I want it to repeat. So just like that, I can add it in right here. I can also add in multiple questions right here. So let's say I want to add in fill in the blanks. And the question is going to be right clicking gives you underscore options, just like this. So I can just type in my question right here, and this is going to be more options or less options, which doesn't make sense. But anyways, this is just an example. If correct, it is going to go forward, continue, congrats, continue, and if incorrect, this is going to be wrong. And it repeats back the thing. So let's say, for example, jump to time 0. It goes back onto the beginning itself. Similarly, of course, I can add in other quiz as well. So I'm just going to add a quiz to timeline right here. And this is going to be a short answer. What did you learn? So this is going to be another short answer right here, where users are able to input things out just like that. And this is how you can add in quiz right over here and set up different ways to interact with the quiz just like that inside of Camtasia projects. So in the next lesson, we're going to see how we can export out the quiz project and how it works around for the audience point of view. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.